Hi, how are you doing? This is Jorie coming to you again from L'Artusi with a wonderful cocktail. Coming in the summertime, we have the awesome advantage of using fresh fruits. We have a lot of berries in season right now at the restaurant. This particular cocktail is going to be using fresh basil. It's called the Emerald Fog. It's actually an homage to Tony Ramos and his original Fog Cutter, which was a tiki-style drink, really popular back in the 1930s. Tiki-style drinks had a lot of rum-based, lots of fun, summer refreshment. So what we're going to do is we're going to first muddle basil. We're going to use a process called a Seattle muddle. This was coined by Mr. Meehan. It's frowned upon as far as the technique, as far as extracting the flavors and the essence of the basil. But the reason why we're doing it is to add color to this particular cocktail. I'm going to give the basil a smack. Usually you'd go ahead and fill up a whole entire pint glass with the ice. I find that you don't want to dilute it too much. Therefore, it's easier to go ahead and get the color if you use some crushed ice. If you don't have crushed ice, it's really easy to just crack some regular ice that you have. So like I said, this technique isn't necessarily used for drinks that you're going to serve up. This final cocktail is going to be served on crushed ice. So just do it enough, go ahead and get in there. See some of the color. Looking for a nice emerald green color. Ergo the name Emerald Fog. Nothing too muddy. The main ingredient that we're going to be using is a little bit of rum. Good strong ounce of rum in there. We'll also be going to using some gin. And some cognac. Now Mr. Ramos' original recipe calls for sweet and sour mix. We actually go ahead and squeeze some fresh juices here. So instead of sweet and sour mix, we're going to use a little bit of fresh lemon, lime, and just a little bit of simple syrup. You don't need any excessive amount, no more than about a ½ ounce. It's not necessary to add too much sweetness. The cognac's already doing that for you. Go and fill with ice and shake. There you go, you have that nice green color there. Take some basil, give a nice little pat. There you go. Emerald Fog. Nice little compromise between a basil mojito and a classic cocktail.